Here is going to be the world's funniest prank. I can't, it's broken. Because of RJ. Yeah, he's the one that crashed into me. And I just got your face on record. I don't know. Alright, here comes the prank. No one in there. Perfect. Okay. Here comes the cereal prank. There you go. Hey! Got your face on record. Oh. Got your face on record. Got your face on record.
Okay.
Woo! 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 Got your face on record. Got your face on record. Still catching it. They don't like their face on record because they don't think they're pretty enough. Well, only the blonde did, you know.